Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Honorable Fred Agbedi, representing Sagbama Ikirimo Federal Constituency of Bayelsa State in the House of Representatives and chairman of the South-South Caucus in the House, was last week awarded the prestigious Independent Newspaper Legislator of the Year for 2024 in recognition of his exceptional dedication and commitment to legislative duties. The Managing Director and Editor-in-Chief of Independent Newspapers, Steve Omanufemi, presented the official notification letter to Honorable Fred Agbedi during a brief ceremony held in Abuja. Honorable Fred Agbedi was lauded for his steadfast advocacy on critical issues affecting the South-South zone, along with his effective execution of zonal intervention projects, earning him a place among the top legislators in the country. Honorable Fred Agbedi, known for his humility, accessibility and intellectual prowess, has consistently prioritized the welfare and development of his constituents. Honorable Fred Agbedi is an experienced and distinguished legislator with a political career that spans several decades, including serving in the Third Nigerian Republic Legislature in 1992. A former state chairman of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Bayelsa State, Honorable Agbedi's achievements stand as a testament to his track record of excellence in delivering tangible benefits to his constituency and contributing significantly to the advancement of the Niger Delta and the South-South region.
Inside the Niger Delta,